let's get started. We're starting with odd words. Odd words, okay? Picking the odd one out. We have, look at each list of 5 things A to E and see if you can find the one that belongs to a different sort of group from the others. Circle it and write it down. We have an example in front of us. The options are A, red, B, blue, C, green, D, paper, and E, yellow. D, paper has been underlined for us and circled, meaning that that is the odd one out. Looking at every other option, you see that they are all colors except paper. That was why paper was picked as the correct option. Okay, so let's get started with question 1. We have A, Titus, B, cod, C, tuna, D, lamb, and E, shark. Looking at the options very well, you notice the other animals are all fishes except D. D is a 4-legged animal, lamb. Titus, cod, tuna, and shark are all different kinds of fishes, so leaving us with option D as the correct answer. Okay, let's move on. We have question 2. The options are A, handkerchief, B, purse, C, bag, D, basket, and E, pocket. Looking at the options carefully and critically, we notice that every other item here are for keeping items except handkerchief. That leaves us with handkerchief as the correct option. Okay, so let's move on to the second exercise, capital letters. Capital letters, and our instruction here say only certain words are started with capital letters. Here are a group of words. Select one of the words, options lettered A to E, that should be started with capital letters, even in the middle of a sentence. As English students, we know we always call them proper nouns. Proper nouns are started with capital letter, even in the middle of a sentence. We have our example here: A, Enugu, B, here, C, man, D, soap, E, tomb. A has been picked as the correct option because it is a proper noun. Okay, moving down, we have question 16. A, man, B, June, C, lagoon, D, capital, E, ago. The only option here that can always be capitalized is option B, June. June is a month of the year. It is a proper noun. Okay, moving down, we have question 17. A, please, B, perfect, C, justice, D, Joseph, E, history. Again, the only proper noun here is Joseph. Joseph should always be capitalized anywhere it is being used. And lastly, we're taking question 18. We have A, aeroplane, B, plant, C, London, D, pants, and E, pig. Obviously, I heard you rightly. London is the correct option. Okay. And lastly, moving to the next one, we have opposite in meaning. Opposite in meaning, which is synonyms. Opposite in meaning says find a word that is opposite in meaning or very nearly opposite to the words in capitals at the beginning and write down the letters A to E that goes with it. Okay, so we have friend as our examples. Options: A, lover, B, foe, C, ally, D, helper, E, relative. The best opposite to friend here is foe, A foe is an enemy, which is the opposite of friend. Okay? Right, let's move down. We have question 36. Sorrow. Sorrow. We know the meaning of sorrow, okay? Let's look for the opposite meaning of sorrow in the options. A, we have fear. B, joy. C, great. D, anger. E, mourning. When someone is sorrowing, what do you think is the opposite? The best opposite here is joy. Joy. After sorrow comes joy. So joy is the opposite of sorrow. Okay? 37, we have brief. When we say something is brief, it means it is short. Short. Something that is not lengthy. Okay? That's the meaning of brief. When we know the meaning of a word, it is easy to find the opposite in meaning. The options here are A, short. B, fat. C, lengthy. D, curtailed. E, medium. Brief. When something is not lengthy. So the opposite definitely, obviously, is lengthy. Leaving us with option C. Okay? We are taking the last question for this week's activity. We have hide. What is the opposite of hide? Opposite in meaning to hide. A, uncover. B, conceal. C, seek. D, run. E, disguise. I heard somebody saying seek because of the game you used to play, hide and seek. No, not in this context. The best opposite in meaning to hide here is uncover. When you hide something and you uncover it, means it's no longer hidden. So option A is the best option. Thank you, beautiful kids. As I promised you that it was going to be an interesting class, I hope you enjoyed every exercise, and I want you